and this video focuses on converting from QuickBooks Pro or Premier to QuickBooks Online. Please look on the QuickBooks University site for the short video on converting from QuickBooks Enterprise to QuickBooks Online. But before I go to the company menu and then export company file to QuickBooks Online, I did want to show you some resources you can leverage that will help, particularly before you convert and then post-conversion. Just go to the QuickBooks Learn and Support page. It's on the community.intuit.com and search for Survival Guide. Import QuickBooks Online from desktop, and it has processes with screenshots from desktop for Windows, so Pro, Premier, Enterprise, and then of course from desktop Mac, even some video tutorials. Very helpful out here. My favorite is the import limitations, which we do update. Right now, budgets come over memorized transactions. Inventory is now supported, and more about payroll and year-to-date history. So please use this as your resource. This is pretty much A to Z and how you can expect things to show up in QuickBooks Online after you actually convert from Pro or Premier. Company, and then export company file to QuickBooks Online. So you sign into QuickBooks Online, and knowing that this file has inventory, it's going to ask, should we bring your inventory? So QBO uses first in, first out instead of average cost to value your inventory. This is the recommended method and reflects costs more accurately, especially if prices change over time. Of course, you can learn about the change if you want and tax implications. You want to choose when do you want QBO in the inventory there to start calculating for FIFO. So you would just pick a date. In my case, I'm just going to do today because it's a new file, but you might even backdate it to January 1 of this year. It's up to you. And then you go ahead and click continue. And here's my list of company files that I want to go ahead and send this data to. So I'm going to click continue. It's making a copy of the company file. And then you should see a success window. It looks good. We'll take it from here. Okay, got it. And you're going to get an email, and they're going to send it to the email, right, that you just signed up with. So when you get the email, click to log into your QBOA or QuickBooks Online, depending on who actually you're logging in as, or who you set up the subscription as. I did it through QBOA, so I'm just going to go to CLA Convert. You can see it brought over the closing date. Not the password, but the closing date. So I'm just going to click the realm picker and CLA Convert. It's going to bring me into the QuickBooks Online file, and we should be able to see some data. Check your products and services list and chart of accounts under the gear icon. Your preferences don't convert, so go to company settings, set that up. Chart of accounts, make sure the parent and subs are correct. Go to your products and services, manage users to invite other users to the company file, right? You can reconcile do a mass reconciliation. Again, sometimes it just comes over as checked as cleared, but you still need to be reconciled. The reconciliation itself is undone. And then the key report, profit and loss. And I want to open this for all dates and do accrual basis and run that. And that should match for example, my total income 408-220.92 should match, this report here for all dates. 408-220.92, exactly. And then you would do the balance sheet, all dates. I have total assets 4611. Go back to QBO. And again, you can duplicate the tab if you want to have more than one window open within the same QBO file. I'm going to go back to reports, and I have P&L open in one and a balance sheet open in another. I'm going to do all dates, 46-111, yeah.